Hi everybody, we are at the Civic Centre Tower in Apriltown, New Liftland. This is the building directory. So it's not that tall an office building. It goes from -1 to 8. We're on 0, the lobby. So it's quite an old office building, but they've got a brand new lift, and it's an AE. It's the new keypad design. Here it comes. No chime on this one though. Buttons aren't that bright. Oh, look at this, it's the new keypad design. So, for instance, let's just try it. Okay. Highest floor was 8. I remember that. Doors are closing. It's got an LCD indicator, standard design. It says next stop at the bottom. It's an MRL, which is really nice. Maximum capacity 13 persons, 1600 kg. Quite large for a lift in an office building. So I suppose that they really only need one lift. It's quite a large building. Now the basement's locked by the looks of it. I think there's a swipe card. Press star. What does that do? Oh, that takes us back to 0. So let's go back to 0. This is a brand new design that they've just come up with like last year or this year, and it is really fast as well. This MRL, it's a brilliant motor. So we are back at 0, and here we are, and that's it.